Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing the truck and assembling tools. This step saves time and prevents hazards. Once on stands, you remove the front wheel to access the sway bar link. Spray penetrating oil on the upper and lower nuts and let it soak for several minutes so bolts turn easier. Use an 18mm socket on the nut and a 15mm wrench to hold the stud. Loosen the nut, but do not fully remove it until the end to keep the link from spinning. Once the nuts are loose, you support the lower control arm with a jack to prevent sudden drop and keep bushings aligned. Make sure to finish removing the upper nut first, then the lower nut while holding the stud to avoid stripping threads. Pull the link free. If stuck, tap with a hammer at the joint area to break corrosion. Inspect mounting holes and bushings. Cleaning mating surfaces ensures the new link seats properly and avoids premature wear. You install the new sway bar link by hand-threading nuts to avoid cross-threading, aligning bushings and sleeves as removed. Once both nuts are started, lower the jack so the control arm returns to normal ride height. This sets bushing tension correctly. Then torque the upper and lower nuts to manufacturer specs using a torque wrench. After reinstalling the wheel, lower the truck and torque lugs. Finally, take a cautious test drive. If you hear clunks or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.